This is how you do voice over video using a normal PC or a laptop. Welcome back again, guys. In today's episode, like I promised you guys, that I'm going to be showing you how you can do voice over video using a computer. In our previous video, if you have not watched it before, we learned about how you can do the same process using iMovie. iMovie is a software from Apple, meaning you only have to use either a MacBook or iPad or iPhone. But for this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use a normal computer or a normal laptop. But the only problem is the software that we are going to be using is not a free software. It's a paid software. But if you have the opportunity to get it, guys, I would advise you go for it because it is very, very effective for content creator. So now we are going to be using Premiere Pro, and I want to say that Adobe is not paying me for this video, or this video is not sponsored by anybody. It's just my initiative to help my people. Now we are going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro to do this process. Okay, so let's move straight into the video. Now what you do is you have to download and install Premiere Pro. Okay, you open your Premiere Pro software like the one I'm about to open here, like this. Now you go to create, you create a new file, right? Where you see my computer, create a new project. You create a project and you name the project. You rename the project. Let's say hello is the name of the project we want to do. Now you come to create, you click create. Now guys, this is an advanced software. It is a little bit difficult to handle, but once you have mastered everything, guys, you're going to enjoy in the future. Now we have our program ready. All we need to do now is just to import the video that we want to make voiceover. Okay, like I told you guys, voiceover is that video that a video is playing while you're talking anything behind. It's not actually showing your face, but you're actually playing another video and saying another thing. That one is common for these vloggers and the rest, travel vlog and the rest. So guys, now we are here. You need to import your project. Okay, so you come where you see import media, you right click on your mouse, or if you're using a laptop, you right click on the right button, you right click and you're going to see import. You click on import and they are going to ask you where you want to take your file. Now our file is on our desktop. You come and change it here. We take desktop. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Now we have our file. Here is the video that we want to use. You can as well use pictures. Okay, now for example, we want to also use this picture. You click on this picture as well. You import into your project. Now we have this picture and this video, and we want it to play while we are talking behind. Now we just take this video and put it there. Now we don't yet have the audio. You have two ways to record the audio. You can either record it separately from your device or your recorder, or from your microphone to your phone. Any way you want to record your audio, it's cool. And you can as well record through the software. Where you see this microphone here, right, like this, you click once and it's going to show you where you can record. You see that you can as well record. I would advise you record it separately, because using the one from the software is a little bit complicated. So now once you have recorded separately, you come here and put your audio. For example, let me import an audio. For example, now you have your audio already in your computer. We can as well come here and import any audio file. You come to import, you import any audio file that you have. For example, this is the audio that we have recorded, this one. but I'm not going to play it. Oh, we are going to run away from copyright. You just take it. Once you have it in your project like this, you bring it on the software. You see that is our audio there, like that. So that is it. That is how you import your audio. And once you have imported your audio, you can as well play. When you play, your video and your audio be playing simultaneously, and that is it for the video, and you are done. Once you're done for this one, very easy. You have two ways to import your video. Import means you are done and you want to export it to upload it to your Facebook or YouTube channel. Now you can either press Command and M to import the video. When you're done, you just come where you see, you press Command and M, and it's going to show you where to import. That is for Mac, okay? And for computer and laptop, you just press Control and M. It's going to do the same job. And you do the selection. Let's go back. Command and M. This is where you're going to select your options for export. Now you're going to give the file a name. You give the name of the file, that is it there, and you select the location that you want to export your video to. Now you can as well select the desktop option, and you come to your video resolution. Okay, I always advise you to use 1080. You select 1080, and please, when you come to video format, please make sure it is at H.264, right? Nothing else. Make sure you choose H.264, the one you see here like this. And once you're done, you click export. The video is going to export to the destination that you selected. Very easy, guys. If you have any problem, please make sure you drop your comment in the comment section below. Try this. Like I told you, this software Premiere Pro is from Adobe, and you cannot crack it. You can only buy it, and if you buy it, it is going to serve you for a very long time. I'm not sure that even by now you can only purchase a license that you can be renewing every month or every year, something like that. So guys, that is that for today, and in our next video we are going to be doing the same process using a phone. Yeah, using a phone. Our previous video we did it using a MacBook or an iPad or an iPhone. Today we have done it using a computer or a laptop. In our next video we are going to be using a phone, that is KineMaster or InShot or CapCut, anyone that you want to learn. Please make sure you indicate in the comment section below. I'm going to make a video on that. Okay, that was that for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Like, comment and share the video. You can as well buy us stars to encourage us do more videos like this. Thank you, and see you again in our next video. Peace out.